Hey guys, Rob here. Today's video, we got a nice easy one. We're gonna cook up a nice juicy fat steak and mashed potatoes on a Firebox stove, so let's go. All right, so let's show you guys what we got here for lunch today. So I've got some broccoli here. We've got a New York strip steak, my favorite. Filet mignon is actually my favorite. That's my second favorite. We got a bag of instant mashed potatoes and some olive oil. Little seasoning blend that I put together, which is chili powder, onion powder, garlic powder, and black pepper. And then here's just a little bit of salt and a little bit of black pepper from the last trip that we had. All right, so we got the titanium Firebox here, and I ordered the deluxe kit. I still have my stainless steel deluxe Firebox kit, the G2. This is the same thing, but it's just in titanium because it's lighter. It's a little bit pricey, but I wanted something for backpacking that I'm not going to feel too guilty about bringing along, because this thing is just a really cool design. So we got that we're going to do our cooking on. And another thing here is we have this Stanley cook set here. This is a new product that came out, I think, last year. If you guys know about the old Stanley cook sets, the OG ones, well, this is version 2. And the first one that I had was actually one of my first ever cooking pots from Stanley, and I absolutely loved it. I bought it like, I don't know, 7-8 years ago. It was my very first one. I still use it to this day. And when I found out that this thing right here was available, I absolutely had to have my hands on it. So I ordered that, and we're gonna do our cooking with this here. And there are definitely some improvements to this right here. I'll probably do a video on this later on if you guys care to see that. But yeah, so I just have my DIY burner for the Firebox stove. And inside here, I just keep the fuel for it. So we're running isobutane. So I'm gonna get this stuff set up here, and we're gonna get this steak on here. I think this might be ready for a flip now. Oh yeah. That is what I'm talking about. You guys know one of the best things about this setup is that it's totally portable. We're not even using coal or wood or anything. We're just using isobutane, and that is just really cool. But yeah, this thing is grilling away. Oh yeah, this steak is definitely done. So I'm gonna pull it off, let it rest while we're getting the rest of the food ready. Oh yeah, that looks so good. Start heating up our broccoli. Just gonna add our broccoli straight into that water. Yeah, look at that broccoli in there. Just gonna scoop this out. And then we're gonna use this water to make the mashed potatoes. So everything should still be pretty hot. So I'll put a little bit of olive oil in there. Some more water. All right, that's boiling. Gonna go ahead and turn the heat off now. It's just a matter of adding the potatoes. Bring you guys in so y'all can see. Steak is perfect. That's perfect. Some mashed potatoes on that. See this right here, guys? There's nothing more enjoyable and relaxing than this. And I highly encourage you to get outdoors and try something like this, because if you haven't, you'd be surprised on how much you're missing out on. It's so peaceful. I love coming out and doing this because it just, for whatever reason, the food tastes 10 times better. And I don't know if it's just because you're totally relaxing and enjoying nature, you're not on your phone, you don't have chaos around you. Something about it. That was an excellent meal, and was not hard to make at all. It was actually pretty easy. The longest thing was the steak, obviously. Everything else cooked quick. But everything's all packed up and clean. And we got the FIREBOX stove here. We got the Stanley cook set here with everything in it. The isobutane and the stove and the lighter. Probably fit a couple other small little things inside of here. But yeah, small little kit. And this allows you to have grilled food on the trail or out camping or, you know, anything outdoors like that. Real compact, and you know, I'm glad that I went ahead and bought the titanium version because it's a lot lighter than the other one. But yeah, I'm thinking probably next video I might do how to clean your camp dishes and stuff, or your silverware and dishes and stuff when you're on trail. How I do it, at least. I think that might be beneficial. I don't really see that in a lot of videos. So I'm gonna pack everything up in the bag here, and I'm just gonna head out of here, guys. If you guys like the video, do me a favor, hit the thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, share the video with somebody. It really helps get the content out there. It helps the channel grow, and I appreciate it a lot. Until next time, guys, hope to see you on the trail with me. Peace.